Hi everybody, so we are at the Sheikh Al-Fahidi Historical Neighborhood and we were here to visit this museum but it was closed. So right now we are exploring the neighborhood and see what it offers. So this is the oldest part of the town. If you want to visit Old Dubai, I would highly recommend come here and see this phenomenal architecture. So this neighborhood is famous for its wind tower architecture, the galleries, the cultural attractions, and obviously the narrow lanes. So this neighborhood offers the blend of traditional and modern cuisine, as well as it has all types of shops including rugs, clothing and perfumes. Yes. We are enjoying the cozy vibes of this neighborhood. It's beautiful. Yes. So right now we are heading towards the Dubai Creek, and this is the oldest waterway, and I heard that it plays a vital role in the development of Dubai. So it is so much fun to see lots of activities here as we saw some dance performance, and this place is packed with people. So right now I'm standing in front of Starbucks, All right, so we had such a good time exploring this neighborhood. I would definitely recommend this place to visit if you are visiting Dubai. And now we are heading to Global Village. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.